Substitution practice.
But this is about actively swapping out negative images.
Yes, it directly leverages those mirror neurons and visualization skills. If an anxious image is stuck in your mind, maybe a worry about the future or replaying a conflict, you actively substitute it.
How does that work step by step?
Okay, so first, briefly bring that anxious thought or image to mind, just for a second. Acknowledge it's there.
Okay. Got it.
Now imagine you have a big red pause button, mentally press it. See that negative scene stop, maybe fade, get blurry in the background.
Paused it.
Good. Now, in its place, consciously create a new scene, a detailed one. Picture something positive, maybe a major success you're working towards, or see a loved one absolutely thriving.
Okay, building the new picture.
Make it vivid. Add sensory details. What does the success look like, feel like? Are there sounds involved? And here's the crucial part. Deliberately add the corresponding positive emotion.
Feel the relief, or the keys, the joy.
Yes, let your body actually feel that positive emotion now. You're actively conditioning your subconscious. You're saying, this is the reality I choose to rehearse, this feeling.
I like that. Actively choosing the rehearsal.
Yeah.
Okay, let's deepen this with a short guided visualization to really anchor the feeling state we've been cultivating. If it feels safe and comfortable for you, go ahead and gently close your eyes, or just soften your gaze.
Step 1. Settle the body. Just begin by noticing your physical presence. Feel the weight of your body supported. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose and a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Just arrive fully right here, right now.
Step 2. Bring up the trigger, gently. Now, very gently, allow that anxiety trigger, that worry we worked with earlier, to come back into your awareness, but keep it at a distance, like you're observing it. Notice where you feel the echo of its tension in your body, maybe your chest, stomach, or jaw. Just acknowledge it's there without getting pulled into it.
Step 3. Pause and dissolve. Imagine that mental remote control again. Press pause on the trigger image or thought. Watch it freeze. And now, see it slowly, gently dissolve. Let it break apart, fade away, perhaps into that soft, comforting light again. As it dissolves, take another slow exhale, releasing any tension with it. Let it go completely.
Step 4. Invite the desired scene. Now gently invite forward the image, the feeling of your desired reality. That sense of ease, the successful outcome, the feeling of security or joy. Let it unfold like a pleasant, gentle home movie. Focus on the small details again, the colors, the sounds, the atmosphere of it, feeling normal and real.
Step 5. Anchor the state. As this positive scene unfolds, allow your body to fully relax into the feeling of it. The feeling of relief, of gratitude, of already done. And now, silently or very quietly, repeat this phrase with each breath, letting it sink into your body. This is safe. This is normal. This is who I am now.
Breathe in. This is safe. Breathe out. This is normal. Breathe in. This is who I am now. Continue that for a few more breaths, really letting the feeling permeate your being.
Step 6. Return gently. When you feel ready, take one more deep, conscious inhale and a full, slow exhale. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Maybe wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Just notice how you feel, maybe a little lighter, calmer, more centered.